What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Now, as you can see, I do have the Avalanche right here behind me. Sorry for the lawnmower because that is my neighbor cleaning their yard. Now, as you guys don't know, I'm actually back in Florida right now, and I decided to clean the truck because it has been neglected for some time, about 3 months. And I washed it yesterday, but the inside definitely needs to be cleaned. So let's get that started right now, and y'all are gonna join me right in this process. So let's go. Alrighty guys, so as you can see, it is completely messy in here. So I'm just gonna pick up all the loose trash, grab my shop vac, and vacuum this whole thing up. Maybe even detail the carpets a bit so you guys can see everything that is done in preparation of taking care of this Avalanche. I don't know if any of these things make sense that I say. I just say words that come to my head at the moment. So it's the ADD in me. Forgive me. Oh. There's a lot of tiles in here. Alrighty guys, so I hope you enjoyed that quick episode of me cleaning the truck. Now, it wasn't that detailed of a video because I just got back to Florida not too long ago, and I figured I might as well give you all a little Avalanche video. I don't know what I'm gonna do next. Maybe I'm gonna work on installing the electronic trailer braking device, and I'll let you guys see that one. Now, I do have to warn you, I've never done one before, so I wouldn't know. But with that being said, guys, I hope you like the video for the YouTube algorithm. Also, make sure that you subscribe if you're not already subscribed, and definitely hit that like button again for the algorithm. Peace out, and I'll see you all next time.